Okay, a real short video here. Today was the first day that we've ever allowed free trials in our chat room. So we had 5 new free trial members in there, and we impressed them like crazy. I mean, very impressive. I'm just kidding. I didn't make one call today. But I did say I wanted to start highlighting some of our members' calls. And Wayne from today, and a few other people were on this too, but Wayne actually announced a specific entry. Yoku, massive gap up today, and then was really... right after the initial 10 minutes, look at that sell-off. It just kept grinding lower, grinding lower. Once it started putting in green candles here, one of our members, Wayne, said he was stalking it on 15s, which simply means 15-minute candles, looking for the first break of a previous 15-minute candle's high. And beautiful stair steps, nice little kind of hammer or doji type candle right here. And so what Wayne was looking at is first break of a previous 15-minute candle's high, which would have been 28.21. Worst case stop 27.72. Not too bad of a risk on something that was moving this far. And look at this from 28.21. I don't know how much Wayne took out of this. He usually pretty good at riding them all the way up, at least on some of his shares. 32.75. Huge move there. I did not get this one myself. I did not call this one, but you know, oftentimes at the end of the day, we have at least one idea by one of our members that I'd have to call brilliant, and so I just wanted to give a quick hats off to Wayne. As far as myself, the SPY joining the national craze. I make jokes about this all the time now in chat. The SPY is joining the national craze of planking. That's my new formation name for the SPY. Right here you have a plank. If you can call a 30-something cent move in the SPY a measured move, one measured move for the day, and then an afternoon plank. So there's a stacked plank formation. Might as well make up terms. So anyway, all kidding aside, if you look at the daily, another extremely narrow range in the SPY. Now that doesn't mean there weren't trades out there. I just didn't catch one in the right, at the right time when it was setting up. Once the market goes into that grind, it's tough for me to find something. But Yoku certainly was one to keep an eye on because of that volume, the gap up, and then the subsequent sell-off. And Wayne did a great job, and some other members in our chat as well, of catching the turn there. And really all you need is one of those a week, right, and you're set. So I didn't get it, but certainly a great job by Wayne. And I don't know how many people who are on the free trial list are actually going to be watching this video, but we're bumping it down from 5 days to 1 because the list would be, we were going to do 5 people a week and give a whole week for each the 5 people. The list, we'd already be 6 months out in getting it filled. So we're going to do 5 people a night. And again, I can't just let everybody in because it'll just be chaos in chat if I have too many free trials going on, too much going on. It might take away with questions and whatnot, take away from our focus and what we do in chat. So we're going to go 5 a night and try to get as many people in as short a period of time as in that want to try out our chat room. And for those on the waiting list, you sure didn't miss much today. All right, have a good night.